What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, I didn't really have anything that I needed to review or like anything real serious to talk about. And I thought to myself, what can we do that's just fun? So today, Charlie is gonna pick my makeup. He looks so thrilled to be here. Charlie, get naked. Are we gonna get demonetized? I am going to lay an arrangement of makeup on the floor. Obviously, I'm just gonna pick some stuff that I use on a regular basis and see what Mr. Charles here, the makeup expert of the universe, look at the smoky eyes, honestly, hello, hi. We will see what he thinks that I should wear today. And now, before we get started, I want to say, this is just for fun, okay? This is not meant to be a real challenge. I just thought, like, I have this cute-ass dog here who I love with all of my heart, and what can we do to give him some screen time that he so deserves? And then I remember that Jkissa, who I fucking adore, by the way, did a video where her pit bull picked her makeup, and I think Kathleen Lights did one where all of her dogs pick her makeup, which sounds like a whole shit show, and good for her for actually making that happen, because I can imagine that's not very easy. We're doing it very loosey-goosey, very willy-nilly, and by that I mean, if one person, one of you, leaves me a comment and says that I did this wrong, I will find you and I will, I'm kidding. But like, this is for fun. It's okay? Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a like if you don't mind, because we would super appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because we would love to have you stick around. And if you don't, Charlie's gonna cry. Look at that face. Let me go put him down because he clearly hates sitting under these lights, and we are going to pick some doggy makeup. Charlie, I need your help today. Are you ready? I'll take that as a yes. Can you pick a palette? Bye-bye. Which one? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Oh shit, he likes modern Renaissance. Okay. Fair enough. Wow, that was easy. You're good at this. All right, I said one. Don't get greedy. All right, Charles, I need you to pick my lipstick for me. Can you pick the lipstick? Which one? Which lipstick? Oh, he's thinking about it. All right, I think he landed on this. What the fuck is this one? What do we got here? Yeah, that's what he likes. He likes OG Lolita. Oh, you're so good at makeup. You're such a good boy. Oh, he's such a good, oh my God, I'm annoying. Okay. Does that mean you're ready for your next round? Break over? You got it. I laid out a bunch of different colors of the Urban Decay eyeliner so he could pick a color. We got a turquoise, an orange, a real dark purple. We've got one of my favorites here, metallic, lucky, penny colored, okay, enough descriptions. Another turquoise, a little darker. He's literally sniffing my face right now. And if he wants me to do something simple, we got smoke, which is a dark gray over here. Oh, sniffing? No, that's a no. Which ones? What? Okay, is that one? This is the one you want? Is that the one you want? All right, that's a yes. Look at how much of my hair is on the floor. I'm a disgusting shedding monster. Are you ready to choose some blush? Which one? Which one? Which blush you like? Oh, all right, me too. Wow, glad we agree. Last task at hand, Charles. Are you ready to pick my highlight? Which one? Is that it? Literally, you're just gonna pick the one on the end? What a lazy little... Listen, I feel like you really took the easy way out in this whole process, and quite frankly, I don't really think I blame you. You're a dog, you know shit about makeup. You're not getting paid for this. As a matter of fact though, any little shekels that I make off this video, I'm gonna buy you a new Kong. Does that sound good? Does that sound good? You want a new Kong? Yeah? Little wrinkle snoot.
All right, good job. You did good.
Charlie has spoken, and just to recap what he chose, we have the Modern Renaissance palette, which, I'm sorry, Charles, but I'm a little disappointed because we have so many new fun palettes, and he just was like really adamant about this one. Why am I listening to a dog? I don't know. This is the internet. For the lips, he picked OG Lolita, which I love. It's just not the most exciting lip color in the world, so whatever. For my eyeliner, he chose Empire by Urban Decay, which is like a nice deep smoky purple, which maybe we can get something pretty interesting going with this combined with Modern Renaissance. I don't know. We will see. We have the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops for the highlight, an old favorite of mine for sure. And for the blush, we have the MAC Cosmetics blush in the color Linda, which, in case you're unaware, looks like this and is actually one of my favorite blushes of all time. So good call on that one, Chuck. I obviously already did my base and my brows because this is called My Dog Picks My Makeup, not My Dog Makes Me Look Like a Hot Pile of Garbage. So I wanted to make sure we started off on the right foot. I'm enjoying this framing today. We're gonna have to try to keep this up. Hey, what the fuck? What is that? Why is there just like a crumb of booger on my eye? My brows are like on bush level 95 today. To start this look, I am going to pick up the Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to dip it in the color Burnt Orange and start in my crease because, quite frankly, I don't know where we're going with this look, and that seems like a good place to start. Alright, pretty simple. You know what? I don't want this to be like super boring. So I think I'm gonna do like a full-on burgundy pink smoky eye with it. What do you think? Should I do that? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pick up this Nabla Cosmetics brush. This is actually a concealer brush, but I find it to be very good for packing color onto the eyelid. And I am going to dip that in the color Love Letter and start packing that onto my lid. I'm like extra annoying today. I had a lot of caffeine, and like sometimes when I have a lot of caffeine, I get just like jittery and anxious, and like pretty miserable, quite frankly. But today is one of those days where I have a lot of caffeine and I get like So if you notice that I'm a little bit more jacked up than usual, that's why. Apologies. But like I'm not really sorry, so I don't know why I'm apologizing. It's just one version of who I am. That crease blend looks like a pile of shit, so I am going to go back into Love Letter with a pencil brush and put that through my crease and then blend it out from there. I think I just went a little bit too low on the colors and I need to blend them further. Alright, so for my waterline, Charlie told me to use this dark purple shade here, Empire, and I think to make this look a little bit more not like your typical Modern Renaissance look, I'm going to run that through my waterline and I'm going to kind of like bring that down into my lashes and create some sort of like a purple smokiness with it, and then we're going to try to like make it a little bit like that or something. I don't know. Alright, well, this is the first time I'm using this pencil actually, and I kind of love it. So, good call. Wow, my dog's a genius. And I'm going to blend that out with a clean pencil brush. You know, we're going to put some on the top lash line too. I mean, I've definitely looked worse. This is a much simpler look than I was expecting to do, but truthfully, it just kind of is what it is today. I just popped on some mascara and the Coco Lashes Venus Lash, which I love. You know, I was just remembering this, like a few months ago, I wore these lashes and a lady left a comment, and I don't remember if it was here or on Instagram, but she said to me, "Sorry girl, but you need to separate your lashes." I love piecey, separated, clumpy looking kind of lashes. I love them, okay? okay? And I don't want them to not look like that. I like it. Second of all, are you trying to insinuate that those are my real lashes with mascara on them and that I need to separate them? Because first of all, what? And second of all, thank you. Anyway, Cocoa Lashes, Venus Lash, they're on. Mascara, Too Faced, Better Than Sex, also on. Which are some of my favorites, but I actually haven't used them in quite a while because I've been so obsessed with the MAC Hyper Real Glow that I've been using that like pretty much every time I do my makeup since, maybe March or something, whenever it came out, which truly I have not used pretty much any other highlight. So I'm kind of glad that he picked this so that I switch it up a little bit. For the blush, and just so this video is even remotely educational for you whatsoever, let me explain why I'm doing blush after highlight. So I find with the, specifically with the custom enhancer drops from Cover FX, they are very wet. They are a very wet, liquidy product. They're not a cream. They are truly a liquid. So if I put it over my blush sometimes, A, it's a wee bit too much, and B, whatever, it doesn't really disturb the blush underneath it. It just doesn't look quite as good. So I find that if I just pop the blush over the custom enhancer drops after applying them with a sponge, then you get a nice kind of even lit from within glow. You still get the nice punch of color on the cheeks from your blush without perturbing that. And yeah, I think it's just an all-around better way to do it when you're using like liquid drops of highlight. With a cream, I don't think it works as well because powder over cream usually isn't cute. I'm gonna put a little blush on the end of my nose because fuck it, why not? So yeah, at least you learned one thing today. You probably already knew that. You probably learned nothing. All right, next we have the lips. He chose OG Lolita lipstick from Kat Von D. One of my favorite like pinky nudes, but I do need a liner with it, and I ran out of OG Lolita liner. I went through the whole liner stick, and to be quite frank, I am almost out of regular Lolita too, but we are going to use regular Lolita because there's like a little baby nubbin of it left, and this definitely needs a liner. So is that cheating? Maybe. That actually goes really well with this eye look. Charlie kind of nailed this. So I think that's pretty much the look finished, but this obviously wouldn't be complete if we didn't go and ask him what he thinks and like if I really like brought his vision to life. So let's go find him and see what he thinks of the makeup look that we came up with his choices. Okay, let's go see where he went. He ran away after we finished filming the intro. I can't imagine why. All right, Charles, what do you think? Hey! Rude. I think that means he hates it. Charlie, you hate it? This might be the dumbest thing I've ever filmed, but you know what? I had fun, so I hope you guys had fun too. That's pretty much it for today. Charlie does not really seem to approve of the makeup that I have created with his choices here, but you know what? Honestly, he wears the same smoky eye every day, so who is he to judge? I was at least forced to use products together that I normally wouldn't, so there's that. Please do not forget to like this video if you did enjoy it because that super duper helps me out and I would really appreciate it. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Most of my videos are slightly less nonsense, just slightly though. Please feel free to go ahead and follow me on other social media if you feel like you are going to miss me between uploads, because that is where you'll find me all the damn time. I post on my Instagram stories way too much, so if you would like to see what I get up to behind the scenes or like previews or updates and makeup stuff like that, that is where to find me. I also post new makeup looks all the time on Instagram. I post lip art over there, different more interesting shit than I do here on YouTube, like more editorial, you know what I mean? So if you're into that, come follow me over there. I think that's all the stuff that I have to say. I'm gonna go give Charlie 10 billion treats for being such a fucking sport because, I mean, he didn't really want to do this. He was not as excited about it as I was. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you in the next one.